Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 83, remove duplicates from a sorted list. So let's understand the problem first. So here we are given the head of the sorted linked list and we have to delete all the duplicates such that each element appears only once. And we have to return the linked list sorted as well. So as we can see here in example 1, here the list is already sorted. So if the list is already sorted, then if there will be any duplicates, it will appear next to each other, right? So every duplicates will be appear next to each other. So what we'll do is we will use a pointer approach. So we will take a pointer first and we'll point it towards the head. Then we will take a loop and we will check if the current's value is equal to current's next pointer's value, current's next value. If it is equal, we will store the current's next value in some pointer and then point currents next to its next and then delete the pointer where we have stored the current's next value. So while traversing, we will do that. So let's walk through the code first. So here, take first we will take a pointer current which will point towards head. Then we will loop till while current is not equal to null pointer and its next is also not equal to null pointer. We will put up a condition that if current's value is equal to current's next value. If yes, so what we will do? We will create a pointer list node temp which will store the value of currents next. And then what we'll do is we'll point currents next to currents next. And then we will delete the pointer where we have stored the actual currents next value. Delete them. And if currents value is not equal to currents next value, then simply we will keep traveling. Current is equals to currents next. We will keep traveling. And at last we will return the sorted list without duplicate, that is return head. Let's run it and check. Okay. So here we have used a pointer approach to travel and store the value of currents next in a pointer and then lately delete it. So here the time complexity is order of n as we will traverse each node once, and space complexity is order of 1 because we do not use any extra data structures or any extra space. So this is it for today. If you have any doubts, please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel.